Open the trunk. So today we're gonna be doing something that I don't recommend, but Peter recommended to me. Peter, open the trunk. Let's see how it turns out. Gem box, man. All four of them. We're gonna do a little. This one has a Tahoe at home and it brings the smallest car.
What do you want, güey?
Just what those Cobras getting McDonald's. Magrido, caramel, coffee. You guys like this food?
Yeah, it's baller food, bro.
Hi, can I get a McGriddle? Which one?
We're gonna leave it with a master fabricator. ¿Fue regreso o qué?
Sí,
Una hora.
una hora.
Coffee with chips. Chavato chorriento.
Breakfast for champs.
$6 valet. $2 each one, or?
Yeah. Well, three.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
$3 each.
All receipts, bro. All receipts.
$3 each.
That's fair. That's fair. I'm just a camera guy. Hi. What are you gonna buy?
Spend all my unemployment money, boss.
What are you gonna buy?
Do the same thing as him. I just gotta certify for my benefits, like my buddy over here, and then I'll be able to see how much I can.
10 racks.
10 bands. With a little custom fab on these bad boys. What do you think, Peter? Is it gonna work out good or no?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Why?
Just be a little negative with. Just in case.
Alright, alright. What do you think, Box? Is it gonna work out or no?
Only one way to find out, boss.
You're gonna put them on?
Yeah.
Change of cars now. Back in the Mustang. What I'm gonna go do is get the car fender rolled, just because I do want to go a little bit lower with those springs. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend you doing that. The only reason I'm doing it is because I have another set of springs, so if it's, I don't think it's gonna be all that, but if it's really horrible, I'll just go back to the other set of springs, or I'll just buy I'll just go ahead and buy coilovers, which is I'm planning to do so either way, so it's not a big deal. And you know, we got the Crocs. This is to activate driver mode right here. Like the homie says, if you ain't crocking, you ain't popping. Oh, we got a single cab Ranger right here. What are you doing to it, Peter?
5.0 swap. But I'm starting with the grill.
The most important thing first. What are you doing?
Review.
What do we call this step right here?
Paint thinner right here, stripping the paint, old paint off of this, because
You don't like chrome?
doing a chrome delete, because this is actually the Lariat.
Oh, this is the Eddie Bauer Ford Ranger, no?
Said it was in a minor wreck back in 1993, and somebody put this base model shit on there.
Oh yeah, we can have this. Yeah, bro. Everyone knows you're basic with the chrome, but once you black it out, black on black.
It's also supposed to be a leather interior with
Ooh.
heated cooled seats and then a charging pad, but somebody took it off.
So Lasso, and this one has no water, probably. What kind of host is this? What kind of host is this? Invites us over and doesn't even give us offer us water. What do you think about that?
Broke ass nigga.
I'd say what I have to offer, but I don't think YouTube would like that.
We got this barn find CHP Fox body. Oh, all original. It'll be coming to the channel soon. if Peter actually decides to do some work. Because anytime the sun is out, he does not want to do work. Pressure washer did. Yeah, I didn't do much. I think we're gonna have to sandblast this piece. Even though it's plastic, I recommend you sandblast it, boss.
Or sell a pressure washer.
Or sell it, because it didn't do nothing. Sandblast is the best option. Everything bucks.
Nah, throw it away, man.
We could get one on Amazon. He spent more on paint than what it actually cost.
You bought a pressure washer just for that, it didn't work.
Hey, $2 is going in with a little lid. The cap.
Works smarter, not harder, boss.
It works better than the pressure washer.
Yeah. What do they say?
I say we throw this away right now. They're gonna have to do that to this one.
Put the cap on.
So basically what we did, that Peter recommended, is cut one circle, coil, whatever it is, to make it even lower. We're just gonna see how it looks. He said he's done it on his other Termi, so why not on this one, right? How did it ride? Pretty good?
Like shit, but it looked nice.
Oh, that's what matters here, man.
That's what people want on YouTube.
I think that's what
I mean, when people watch the video, they're only gonna see how good it looks, but they don't know how it fucking rides.
But even though it rides like shit, you're gonna say it runs good though.
You're gonna get views and subscribers, likes and comments, all that shit. That's what matters.
Did you wipe your feet before getting in?
Yeah.
I didn't. This is California for you. Traffic, traffic, traffic. We made it. He has a Cobra himself too. Probably one of the cleanest Mustangs I've ever seen. Oh, Termis. That's Eric right there. Probably one of the best fender rollers around. And he has this beauty over here. Damn. This has to be one of the cleanest, if not the cleanest, Termis I've had. I mean, I've seen. Yeah, super, super clean. Look at this. Wow. If mine was in this condition, I don't think I would ever drive it. Damn. Yeah, this cool thing too. Little buggy, another project. This thing is whippled. It's cool. Super, super cool. I'm jealous. He's been featured on Mustang magazines. Top 10, 2012. Cool. Damn. That's his engine bay. That's how his engine bay looks. Super clean. His trunk. 2012. Damn. Sick, sick, sick. Cool. And then I have this. Mine looks a little junky compared to that one. Once you put them next to each other. No, I feel like I overpaid for that. Looks like it needs a little bit of maintenance on some bushings.
Yeah. Yeah, that word, yeah.
Yeah. One side done. I'm only gonna be doing the rear. I don't know if you guys can see it. That means 335s are going on. Hold on, Kyle. We're done.
When I bought it, I stripped it of all the coating that was on it because they turn orange.
You should see his engine setup. So this is the next day. I forgot to wrap up the video yesterday, so I will be attempting to install these like I said, maybe in the next video, but this is it for this video. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.